Hi sewing friends, my name is Karina from liftingpinsandneedles.com. Welcome to this channel that is all about sewing, limitless sewing, and I'm here today with a shorter video to let you know about this Feature Friday. It's a Melody Dolman at Love Notions. These are a favorite pattern of mine. I actually tested it in 2019. I've used the pattern 10 times. One of them is off with my mum, so I only have 9 of these. I've made 7 shirts and 3 dresses from this pattern. You can see the line out here. It's not meant to be a dress, but it's really easy to lengthen and make it a shirt dress. You can put cuffs here on the ends, but sometimes I don't sew that. You can also add a patch pocket on the front. It's got a little bit of a curved hem, but for some of mine, I've just straightened out the hem. I've just had a whole lot of fun with this one. You can see that there's a camp style collar right there, and on my channel you can see how to do that the traditional way with a little snip, or you can do a hack that has a facing at the back. To be honest, I prefer adding the facing and not having to do the snip. It's just so much easier, but you can check it out, try them and see what you like. From the dresses, I've even made one that was a refashion. I just used the dress and resized it using the Melody, and yeah, it's just been such a fun pattern. This can take you all the way from a quilting cotton to a silk. I've used cotton linen, I've used tens, I've used silk like this one, I've used rayon linen blend, I've used even poly crepe right here. So you just need a little bit of interfacing and butters as the extras. Check out the playlist on my channel so you can see all of the ones I've made, and I've just decided to highlight 2 of them. This is one of them. This is the silk version, and you also see a dress version. So let's see. This is one of the Melody Dolmans that I chose to highlight this time. I made this shirt dress as a hack in 2020. I blended out to a size extra large back then because I wanted extra ease around the hips, just because it's a shirt dress. This is a tencel, that denim look type of fabric, but it's a tencel. It's amazingly drapey and soft, super comfortable to wear. This type of denim color looks amazing with caramel tan colors, so I've done the top stitching in those tones, and also I've got all the accessories. I think this is a classic. I brought out sneakers. I could also do comfortable sandals as well, and this is just great. I love this one. The Melody Dolman is not a dress, but you can just make it longer. I added the patch pockets here, and at the top I added little tabs, all these little details all over it, so it could just look really cool. Now these patch pockets here are a little floppy. It's just the nature of the fabric, it's the look. I don't mind them being floppy, I think they're still cute. Check out the patch pockets with the pocket flaps. These are all little pattern pieces I created, just rectangles, and the beautiful contrast top stitching. Little tabs over here. Love adding those little things. This is one of the 10 versions I've made, one of the 3 dresses I've made, and I absolutely love this one. This is a classic one. You could always have a dress like this. It will never be in and out of style. It will always be okay to wear this color in this fabric in this style. This is another Melody Dolman that I've chosen to highlight. I've made 7 shirts. This is one of them, and the most luxe fabric ever, 70% silk, 30% cotton. I think the print is amazing. This one's a little shorter, and I've tucked it into my glissando skirt just on the front. I love this one. It's so beautiful. And this was one of my precious fabrics. I decided to use it up and make this version of a Melody, and I'm so glad I did. I have the camp collar here, and this is sewn in the way that I've shown you. That's easier, no snip. It has an extra facing on the back. You can barely tell it's top stitched, because who wants to do a little snip on such a delicate fabric like this? You can see how to do this type of collar the easier way with a facing, or the traditional way with a snip in my channel. Check out this sleeve. I've just hemmed it normally without the cuff. I've done that quite a bit with a lot of the shirts I've made. Sometimes I use the cuff, sometimes I don't. It can take you from a quilting cotton to a silk. So many woven fabrics are gonna work here, and you'll be happy. This fabric is just so gorgeous. It's just the composition of it, the feel of it. But the print for me is everything. The tones of purple and gray, it's just so my style. I love this one so much. Feature Friday is an amazing price, great value. You'll find my affiliate link at the top of the comment section and also in the description box. Check out my playlist with all of my makes, the hacks, the tutorials. I'll say goodbye for now, but you're gonna see me in a little bit. Before the day is over, I'll be back to share something else with you. See you then. Bye.